right, students, I hope you've been liking all these videos. This is our next math video. It's kind of weird not having you in front of me, but we're doing the best we can, and I hope you're liking these videos. So once again, you guys should still have this counting on packet. You should have done this whole first section counting on, and the next part we're going to be doing is this part that's called addition 10 facts. Now remember, you should not be taking these apart. You can rip out pages when you need them, but please keep them stapled together so you don't lose which one. There are no page numbers, so if you lose them, you don't know which one goes first, so I would keep these all together. Now, we're going to be working on this idea of 10 facts. Now, here we have this number 10. This number 10 is a pretty good number because 10 is a pretty great number because you can count 10 all the way to 100. It's a lot easier to count by 10s than by 9s or by 7s. So 10s are a great number for us to do. So what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be looking for all the add-ins that equal the sum of 10. I hope you're starting to get those words a little bit better, but we have this add-in. Now remember, those are numbers being added together that equal 10. Now, the thing that you're going to want is you're going to want a notebook of some kind or a piece of paper. Now, I'm using the back of a piece of paper that's not needed. That's a great idea for you to do. So a great thing to do is either have this out. I know, I think you guys got one of those, and a white piece of paper. Now, once you have that out, we're going to look at all the add-ins that equal the sum of 10. So we're looking for all these numbers that are going to be equaling 10, the sum of 10. Now, what is one way for us to equal 10? I'm going to give you the easiest way. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Because if you have 0, how many do you need? You need 10 in order to get 10. I knew you guys knew that one right there. Do you kind of get what I'm getting? These add-ins are equaling the sum of 10 right there. All right, now we're going to come down to our next one. Ooh, you might not get this, but if I had 10, how many more do I need in order to equal 0 or equal 10? I need 0. I need nothing. And what stands for nothing? Now you might see I'm going to be coming up with all the different ways. I'm going to do one more. If I have 1, how many more before I equal 10? That's the rest of my finger. So if I get rid of that one, how many more? I have 9. So here are the add-ins that equal the sum of 10. I want you to pause this video and I want you to come up with as many different ways as you can to equal 10. All of these should be equaling 10. They should be equaling that sum of 10. So I want you to pause it. I want you to write this in your notebook or a piece of paper, and I want you to do that. So I'm looking for you to pause. Pause me and go and do that. All right, let's go. And you should have already paused and have done this, but if not, you're doing it with me. All right, if I have 1 plus 9, if I start with 9, 9 plus what? 1 equals 10. I'm going to go a little bit faster. So 2 plus 8. Because 2 plus 8 equals 10, or 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now I have 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10, just as much as 7 plus 3 equals 10. Did you get these ones? Now let's keep looking. We have our next one, which is 4 plus, if I took away 4, that leaves me 6 fingers left. Equals 10. And now I'm going to just do the backwards. I'm going to do what's called the reversal and do it the other way. Now there's one more. Can you think of which one I'm forgetting about? It's my double. It's my double right there. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here are all the ways to equal the sum of 10. Now you might say this is easy, but here's the idea. If all of a sudden you were to have the number 2 plus, now let's do that a little bit different. Let's go with the number, say 12 plus 8. 8 plus 12. If you understand that this 8 and 2 equals 10, then you could easily go, this is 10 plus another 10 equals 20. So it's the idea that you understand which ones equal 10, so when you see them, it makes it so you can add a lot better in your head to go and figure it out. Similar if we did the number, say, 36. Let's do 34 plus 6. if you saw that 4 and 6 equals 10, then you could easily go, ooh, 30 plus 10, which would give you 40. So the idea is it's going to make it better at you doing mental math. Now, once you're finished with that, we're going to come on over here, and you have 3 pages to do in this 10 fact. Now, what I would recommend is this very next page. There is nothing on the back, so get some help, and we're going to rip this one out. We're going to be doing this page, and the one on the back, because then we get to this addition, doubles, and we're going to stop right there. Okay? Now let's come on over this direction, and I was already cutting some of these out. Now if you have a little notebook like this, or you can get a little piece of paper, now you're going to go and cut all these out. I'm not going to do them all because that's going to take too long, so I cut out a couple. And right over here I have a 9, a 2, a 1, and an 8. Let's see. Ooh, my 8 and 2. Now if you have some glue, you can glue the back of each one and then put them together just like that. Okay, and now you can do that with the 9 and the 1, because what does 1 plus 9 equal? I know that one's pretty easy right there. So you're going to want to do it with the entire page, all of them, but for the sake of time, I'm just doing it with those 2. So you're going to be doing them all. Now, once you have that all done, you can either figure this out still in your brain, or you can figure it out over here. So if I have plus 2, ooh, what plus 2 equals 10? Ooh, 8. 8 plus 2. Ooh, now I have this one where it's plus 5 equals 10. So what plus 5 equals 10? Ooh, this is my doubles. We should know this, because if I got 5 fingers here, I got 5 fingers here. So you are going to finish this entire page right here, and then you're going to come right on over to this page, and you have our fun game again. Now this time I'm going to do my smiley face, because I love my smiley face. And remember, you grab a coin and you flip it. Ooh, now remember, tails you move forward 5 spaces, and heads you move forward 2. So I'm going to move forward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I have this equation. 1 plus what equals 10? 1 plus, ooh, 9. Do you see how I write that right there? Now I go again. Just like that. Oh, I got tails again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I got the same problem again. That is so neat. What plus 9 equals a 1? Now let's see. Maybe I'll get the same problem again. Oh, I want to give a real flip. Oh, I keep getting tails. All right, today's my tails day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it says box plus 10 equals 10. What? Oh, if I already have 10, I don't need any more. So 0 plus 10 equals it. Now remember, you're finished with this when you've solved 20 problems. So that's 10 plus 10. Once you've solved 20 problems, you are finished with this, and those are the 3 pages you're doing before you're finished. Now, if you wanted to play this with a parent, you could have them go, and you could solve their problems and yours, that sort of thing. We want you solving as many of these, but remember, you're trying to solve 10. If you need to, they gave a sneak peek over here to kind of help out over here if you don't remember. So check out our little sneak peek over there. But that's what you're doing for today. So today is our big one about making tens. Very important for us to know. And when you finish this activity over here, this is the one that you are going to be taking a picture of and showing it to me. All right, wonderful. So excited for you guys to be doing this lesson. I hope you're liking math as much as I do. Let's go be math wizards. All right, peace out. See you guys later.